Okay, hi again from Bugeye Guys, righty, on the move. Here we go. Orientation, we're in neutral here. I find the starter here. I don't need to apply much gas, if any. And there's idle. A nice tick over, as they say, 50 pounds of idle of oil pressure at idle. And here's that amp gauge when we were talking earlier. If you watched the prior video, when we revved the car and the generator is able to output 30 amps, it's now doing that to replace anything I drew by turning on the headlights. You need a little bit more, a few more RPMs to replace it when you have the accessories on. You see how it wants to pull negative. But now I can diagnose, okay, I'm negative at idle, I'm positive when I rev. Once the battery is replenished, it will live much more in the center. But that ammeter is a great tool to tell us the health of our charging system, okay? We have a nice tick over at about 1,000. We have the choke off. We have the lights on for safety, so people see us that much more. We go into second gear and then up into first. We take off the handbrake, which was off, and we're ready. And we don't rev the engine like this and let the clutch out. That wears the clutch. We use as little RPM as possible, ease up to the friction point, inch forward. We've got another car coming, foot on the brake. Very simple, minimal input, keep it simple. All right, there goes our traffic, and off we go in first. A great exhaust note in this car. Turn signal to the right. Here's our boom boom. Take it easy. Like a cat's paw. Don't slam it at the right pace. Third gear, boom, boom. No rush. Turn signal left. Need a downshift. Boom, boom. Being kind to the gearbox. Of shift points, that's really up to you. You can shift it 2,000 RPMs, you might be starting to lug, but you'll find that if you're easy on the throttle, cars are very forgiving. If you rev it to 5,000, I'm not sure you get a lot of value other than a nice exhaust note. So that's not necessarily how we drive them, but 3,000 or 4,000 is a good shift point. Just to take it easy on that second gear synchro. And to downshift by double clutching, you can shift a little faster. I like double clutching, it sounds cool, it's fun. So neutral, rev, second, and there's my double clutch. And I think that's actually the safest and best thing you can do for any of these antique gearboxes. Here we go, neutral. The footwork was getting the clutch out, revving it with the clutch out so that I can match the gears and shift a little quicker. Tad fast on the upshift there for a smooth case gearbox. So now let's see if you can see my feet here. Neutral. So that was the double clutch in the second. Les, thank you for coming with me today. That's a little bit about operating righty here from Bugeye Guys. And if you like what we do, we thank you for your support of our parts catalog. We have lots of cars for sale at any one time. Not often right-hand drive, but we always have Bugeyes for sale, and we're happy to pick up your car and sort it out and upgrade it for you anywhere in the country. We've become a national service center and restoration facility specializing in these sprites, and thanks for visiting with us today from Bugeye Guys.